Most people think making money requires trading your time for a paycheck. But in 2026, that's the slowest way to get wealthy. Today, I'm showing you 7 passive income streams that actually work this year. Not the get-rich-quick scams, but real systems that can pay you $100 a day while you sleep, travel, or spend time with family. Stick around for number 5 because it's the easiest one to start with $0. The first is the safest. With interest rates shifting, you shouldn't leave your money in a standard bank account. Move it to a high-yield savings account or money market fund. It's literally free money for just letting your savings sit there. If you have $10,000 at a 5% rate, that's $500 a year for doing absolutely nothing. Investing in companies that pay you to own them. Think Apple, Microsoft, or Coca-Cola. You don't need to be a Wall Street genius. Just look into dividend aristocrats. Even a small monthly investment grows into a snowball that pays your bills. Index funds. If you want to set it and forget it, buy the top 500 companies in the U.S. Historical data shows an average 10% return. It's the ultimate long-term passive income play. Faceless YouTube channels. You don't need to show your face to make money on YouTube. Using AI tools for voiceovers and stock footage, you can create educational videos. Once a video is uploaded, it earns ad revenue 24/7 for years. Digital products. The $0 start. Create a PDF guide, an Excel budget tracker, or an ebook once. Sell it on Etsy or Gumroad forever. This is the definition of work once, get paid forever. Renting out assets. Do you have a spare room? Airbnb. A car you don't use daily? Turo. Even your unused internet bandwidth can be rented through certain apps. Look at what you already own and turn it into a rental. Affiliate marketing. The bridge. Recommend products you already use. When someone buys through your link, you get a commission. No inventory, no shipping, no customer service. Here is the truth. Passive income isn't no work. It's front-loaded work. You work hard now so you don't have to later. Pick one of these 7 ideas and focus on it for 3 months. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more financial freedom tips. See you in the next one.